These planes just won't quit with their comingness. Like they're all looking different. You would think if a star was gonna pop out, it would pop out. I don't know right now. There's my nature sound again. So we do have all three. Plus whatever that is. Probably Betelgeuse of Orion. If I had to guess. Mars at the bottom of Castor and Pollux. The moon doing whatever the moon has been doing, which is some weird things. That moonbeam in itself, or what the fuck? I was gonna say, like, earlier, like an on and off light switch, and it literally just did that. Mars is in the beam. What the okay, so maybe that's Mars and that's actually Gemini. I don't know, man. Yeah, that's what's going on, but Jupiter should be in the frame. Portalia. Wow. Why does it do that? Lights on, lights off. It's strange. Lights on, lights off.